Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some tips and tricks on how to clean the toilet. Yes, because sometimes we clean the toilet but we miss a very important side of it. So today I'll be showing you how do I do it and how I teach my employees in my business to clean a toilet. So okay, you guys. So for this cleaning, we are going to need some baking soda, some disinfecting wipes, a Mr. Clean magic eraser. We also need something like this, a bowl, container, plastic, whatever you have to put all this together. We're also gonna need a toilet bowl cleaner. I use this one. You can use whatever you like. And then we also going to need some gloves, of course. You don't want to stick your hand in the toilet without gloves. Okay, so we're gonna deep clean this toilet today, and many of you guys may ask why a deep cleaning. Well, we usually just wipe the toilet all over and then just brush the inside, but we always forget a very important part of it, and is where the water comes out. And I'll show you guys. It is a black mold that is all around the toilet. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. So we always forget this part, and it's super easy. Just with the right tools and the right products, you'll be able to get rid of that. Okay, you guys, we are going to use this plate, and we are going to grab some of the toilet bowl cleaner and then just put it right there. That should be enough. And then we are also going to grab some baking soda. And I'm just gonna put some in there. Okay. And then we're gonna use one of these magic cleaner erasers. And I might just use half of it. With half of it, which should be fine. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna mix in all this really good. And it doesn't have to be like perfect. As long as this is all together, we are good to go. So that's the way it's going to look. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your toilet app. And then I'm gonna put some of this because I will brush the toilet at the end. So I'm gonna just put that in there. And then you're gonna grab the magic eraser, and then you're gonna grab as much as of the bowl cleaner and the baking soda. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna stick your hands in there. So you're gonna do this, and then just put a little pressure there, and just go around, and then just make sure it's good in there. And you can grab some more of the mix we made, and then keep brushing and scrubbing, and all that mold, the black mold, it should come out. I do this a lot with a lot of my clients, probably every 2 months, every 3 months, it depends. But when they start looking black, I do this, so they look nice. And then that should be it. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just grab my toilet brush and then just finish scrubbing this toilet. And not No, don't forget that part. Just get that brush there. That's it. And we're gonna cover that toilet, and then we're gonna flush. And we're gonna clean up this brush again. And then just a quick tip, if you guys get this brush wet here, what you're gonna do is just get all this dirty water from the toilet into your cup. So what you're gonna do is just leave it like this for like 20 minutes. It'll dry, and then you can just put it back in there, and you'll keep this little thing clean. You can also spray vinegar or Clorox so you can kill bacteria in there, and then you just keep this shiny and clean. I hate finding this toilet brushes dirty everywhere. So yeah, that's a quick tip for you guys. I always do that. Right now I'm not gonna do it because I'm gonna finish cleaning the toilet. So now that we brush over there, I'm gonna clean around the toilet, and that's pretty much everything. So let's do that. Alright, so now I'm gonna just finish cleaning the rest of the toilet, and this is my routine. This is the way I clean my toilets, and then like my clients' toilets, and then also this is the way I teach my employees to clean the toilets everywhere we go. So I'm gonna spray the toilet with this all over the toilet. And just gonna grab a disinfectant wipe. We're gonna start cleaning. And don't forget the bottom of the toilet. Okay, and I'm gonna grab a new wipe. And then we're just gonna disinfect this and then the rest of the toilet. Now it's wet, but we're gonna dry this with some paper towels. Just dry it. Okay, you guys, so we are done cleaning this toilet and I'm just gonna finish clean the rest of the bathroom, but I want to show you how it looks. Okay, you guys, so we got at the end of this video, and that totally looks nice. I did get rid of the black mold, and then you can still see like a blue something in there. That's hard water sticking in there. I gotta get something stronger to get that take care of, but the black mold looks really bad, so that bothers me a lot. But now it looks much better, and well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be sharing with you guys a lot of more tips. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.